Words I kept and swallowed them back so sadly, make a trail as they follow after me. Words I let go, shouted them out so loudly. Now they're going and I can't take them back. Now I see when I'm talking, it still lies on my breath. Would I try to make it all ends up for a mess? No, I can't get anything to feel. I wish I feel my worthlessness. I love you so, Vivi, and I know that it comes by voice. What I'll say when I have to go away in a sleepy little town. See the ashes all around. I have to say goodbye, and I'm leaving you behind. Here I write down letters I might give to you, thinking back on all the things we've been through. Beautiful, I see just how lovely you are, but I cannot seem to get my words down on the page, 'cause it seems that I cannot get the right words. They seem to turn into lies that I've heard, and they fly off wandering away like birds. They're dirty now, I know. Oh, I love you so, Vivi, and I know that it comes and the us we knew today will begin to fade away. But forget the things I say, they don't matter anyway. In a place where nothing's left, I don't have a word to say. Even with a heart that is broken up beyond repair, I walked with you, I ignored all my despair. I love you so, Vivi.